Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about tuple and dictionary in Python. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what is a tuple? Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuple is one of four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. It is ordered, unchangeable and allow duplicate values. Tuples are written within round brackets. Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index of 0, the second item has index of 1 and so on. Tuples can be of any data types. So here is a simple program of tuple. T1 is equal to vanilla, chocolate, pista, strawberry and again the same item pista. So if you want to print this tuple, simply write print of the tuple name T1. Also if you want to know the type of this program, use the keyword type. Tuples are ordered. It means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. So when we look into this program and if you want to change the chocolate into butterscotch or something else, that's not possible in tuple since tuple is immutable. Tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. In this program, the item pista is repeated 2 times and it is possible in tuple. Tuple length. In order to find the length of tuple, we use len function. And here is an example, L1 is equal to ABCD. So in this program, if you want to know how many items are there in this tuple, we can use the function len. One item tuple can create a tuple consisting of one item by using comma after entering the item. We can also make tuple consisting of one item. But the thing we should remember is after entering the item, we should use comma. Next is accessing tuple items. Can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. So in a tuple, and if you want to access any item, we can simply access the item by referring its index number. So there are two types of indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing starts from 0 to infinity while negative indexing starts from -1. That means it starts from the end. So these two indexing are available and thereby we can access any of the items in a tuple. Update tuple. Since tuple is immutable, one can't modify a tuple directly. But there is a way to update it by converting it to a list, do the modifications and then again convert to a tuple. We all know that tuple is immutable. So direct modification is not applicable there. So in order to do modification, first of all we should convert that particular tuple to a list, do the modification, then again convert it into the tuple. So here we can see that X is equal to apple, banana, cherry and we are converting that into a list Y and we are modifying. That means we are replacing banana into kiwi and again converting to tuple and printing the tuple X. Add items. So adding items means doing the modification. So in order to add the items, first of all converting to the list and here we are using the append method and we should specify which item to be appended. So here we are appending the item orange. Removing items means if we want to remove an item from the tuple, convert into the list and specify which item to be removed from the list and after that convert into tuple. In order to delete the entire tuple, use the keyword del. Loop through a tuple. So looping through a tuple is also possible and here tup1 is equal to man, woman, kid. By applying loop, it will iterate throughout the tuple and print the output accordingly. Join tuples means it is similar to concatenating. So there is two tuples are present and we are joining together and printing the output as 1 and the output will be 1, 2, 3 ABC. And if you want to print a tuple for multiple times, we can use the operator, multiplying operator. Next is tuple methods. There are only two methods available in tuple, that is count and index. Count is to return the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple and in index searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So that's all about tuple. Next our topic is dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. So here is a simple dictionary program. D1 is equal to name, iron, department, BCA, print D1. So here we can see that name and department are keys while iron and BCA are values. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. We all know that in Tuple, this provision is not available. So in Tuple, if you want to change or for doing any modification, first of all we should convert that particular tuple into list. But in dictionaries, even after creating a dictionary, we can do any modifications. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. That means if we have here there is an example, name Irene, name Meera. Doing this, it will overwrite. Accessing items. Can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets or by using the get method. So if you want to access any of the values in the dictionary, we can simply access it by referring its key name or using the get method. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. If you want to access all the keys in a dictionary, we can access it by a print dictionary name dot keys. If you want to access all the values in a dictionary, we can access it by print dictionary name dot values. Adding items. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. So since the dictionary is changeable, so if you want to add one more key and value to the dictionary, it is possible by referring the new key name and assigning the value to the key name. Okay, the update method can also be used to update the dictionary. Assigning as well as the update is available in dictionary to add items. Removing items. In dictionary, if we want to remove items from it, we can use the method pop and pop item. Pop is to remove the item with the specified key name. Because if we want to remove item from a particular place, like in middle, we can use the pop by referring the particular key name. Pop item is to remove the last inserted item, so there is no need to specify the key name. Loops to a dictionary. So there are 4 types of loops in a dictionary. First one is the simple normal loop. For x in D1, print x. For x in D1 dot keys, print x. In this case, the key name will be printed. That means the loop will iterate throughout the key names. For x in D1 dot values, print x. That means the loop will iterate throughout the values of the dictionary. For x comma y in D1 dot items, print x comma I. Items means the altogether of keys and values. So it will print the key and values. Copy a dictionary. Make a copy of a dictionary with the copy method. So in this scenario, if we want to copy an existing dictionary to another dictionary, we can make use of the method copy. In this example, we can see that this dict is equal to name Sona, age 21, and we can copy this dict to my dict. We can make use of copy method. So these are the methods of a dictionary, and there are 11 methods. I will read it out. Clear removes all the elements from the dictionary. Copy returns a copy of the dictionary. From keys returns a dictionary with the specified key and value. Get returns the value of the specified key. Items returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Keys returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. Pop removes the element with the specified key. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. Set default returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Update updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. Value returns a list of all the pairs, all the values in the dictionary. So this is all about dictionary and tuples. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you.